Hi everyone, and welcome to Arts and Crafts. And today we'll be making one of the crafts that I have made in our December Arts and Craft kits. So one of them is this little foam ornament. So you'll just get it out. So you should have 3 pieces: the back, decoration, and the year. And then you should also have a string. If you don't, you can go ahead and find a piece of yarn, ask your mom for some thread, or if you have ribbon around the house. So first thing you want to do is get the backing ready. So you just push this out. Now you'll have a hole to put your string through. And now for the little decoration, you see the little pieces right here that looks like it could come out. Go ahead and pop them out. So you can push in from the front. Okay, and once you take out all the little foams inside, then you can take off the backing, which has the sticker. So now it's all sticky. And now what you'll want to do is put the decoration on top, right in the center. Press down. And now you have your little star flake with the backing. And now you'll have the little sticker that has the year. Peel the back. And you can put it right in the middle. Press down. Now you're almost done. Now you just need your piece of string. You put it through the little hole. And you can just tie a knot, or you can make a little loop knot. And now you have your little snowflake ornament. Now what you can do, you can write your name, you can write a message on the back, however you like. So thank you for joining me for this arts and crafts tutorial. Hope to see you soon at our next one. Thank you.